Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I am fit as a fiddle. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also very excited and feeling pumped because right now I'm talking with you.
Okay, it's nice. And so,
Yeah.
ma'am, thank you so much for joining me. And before dive into the session, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Deepa Upadhyay Pathak. Basically, I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Ghaziabad. I am a mother of two kids.
Mhm.
And if I talk about my education, I have completed my PG in education, BEd and NDT, as well as I have cracked CTET and UPTET also. In other hand, I have done a course which is related to our brain. It's called NLP, Neuro Linguistic Program. That's all about me, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
that's wonderful. Your introduction because you did lots of things. You have a lots of plate in your you have a lots of thing in your plate. Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your introduction. Okay, so ma'am, like how long have you been in this journey, English journey?
Yeah, ma'am, it's been 8 months. 8 months. I have started my journey from scratch in November 2025. Yeah, from that I have been. I am continuing in this language.
Okay, so while learning English, what kind of struggle did you face?
I think in my case, I am an introvert kind of person. For me, it's very difficult to connect with new people and uh, cultivate my thought, like articulate my thought. Sometime what I feel. It is not only in this language. In everywhere, I feel the same. Yeah, ma'am. So that is only one problem, and another problem. I am a camera shy person. For me, it's very difficult to face camera. But for that problem, I have started my own YouTube journey, or YouTube channel. That's how I'm trying to overcome from this fear.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Like if you are taking classes and if you are taking session every day, so like you are day by day gradually you are overcome your from your fear. So it is good thing. So are you
Exactly.
taking every day session?
Yeah, I'm taking no, not every day. It's alternative Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But because I am teaching kids, small kids, so for that I am trying to continue every day because I want to indulge them how to connect each other, how to make a call through WhatsApp, how you how you can practice without any hesitation or anything. It's been only 1 month, but from this month I'm deciding I'm going to connect with them only on alternative day.
Okay, okay. So are you teaching English language also?
Yeah.
Okay. So like how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling very happy and content now because at least I have started something to do because all the time for me it's very difficult to find myself being a only homemaker. So I want to like find my identity also. So that is the reason right now I'm feeling very content and confident. At least I have started.
Yeah, because every girl want to make a identity. Sorry.
Identity,
Mhm.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, like it doesn't matter you have a money or not, but
Yes.
we should have our identity. So we will feel happy ourselves. We can live peacefully. At least someone is calling to our identity.
Exactly. And teaching kind of thing that gives me fulfillment. Actually, I'm sharing my knowledge with others also. That is the reason I would would be consistent with this language.
Mhm.
So I want to be like a consistent and perseverant because of this responsibility. Otherwise, sometimes I feel overwhelmed because being a like a mother of younger kids or very small kids very difficult, especially mother of a boy.
Mhm.
So he always used to do tend to do something monkey business all day. He's throwing this and that through my balcony. For me, it's very difficult to handle. He always keep me on my toes. So sometimes I feel like burned out. I don't want to even have my dinner or lunch. I just want to lie down with good closed eyes. But yes, I'm doing something because I don't want to waste my time.
Yes, you are saying correct. We should not waste our time. Whenever we are getting time, we should use our time.
Yeah, because everyone keep asking, you have done lots of things, but you are not, still you are not doing something in your career. So that made me like a very unhappy or sad. Then I decided, no, I'm going to do something because that gave me confidence.
Mhm.
Yeah, at least I have started. And for me, it's like suitable job for me to do something from work from home, I would say.
Mhm. Yeah, after marriage, like no one is here, no one is taking care of our family, so that's why like we have to stay at home and we have to do
Exactly.
like it doesn't matter like how much degrees we have. It's matter if we are doing something whatever we are doing from home and we are going outside. At least we have to
But
do
it's
something in
not,
our life.
but it still is not cup of tea for me because I have to like pick up my daughter. I have to
Drop
drop off my drop off my son. Then I have again like four time or three time I have to go outside. It's take like hardly I would say it's take like 2 hour. So for me and other things, I have to complete my all the house chores is also very like important. I cannot live in symbolic house. You won't believe before connecting you, I was just I have provide some rice container with bowl and strainer to my son. That's how he could busy, but still he just spread all the spill all the rice here and there in my whole house, and he's again trying to disturbing me.
Mhm.
After that situation, I have to go again sweeping my all the house.
Yeah, definitely. It is too much difficult for you, I can say.
Yeah.
So, like, which
So
method do you use to teach your students? Like, are you teaching through the grammatical part? Otherwise, like, you are going to indirectly learning part.
yeah, I would like to say here, I want to go with indirectly because they are small kids. They are studying in fifth, sixth standard, someone eight and four. So
Mhm.
for them, I do not don't want to pressurize them to
Mhm.
learn because already they have lots of things to do
Mhm.
from school. So
Mhm.
it could be like a extra, like a addition. I don't want to give like pressurize them. That is the reason I am teaching them grammar, but side by side, indirectly.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah, little bit knowledge they should have related to
exactly.
grammatical part. Other things like if we will speak, so there is no need to tell that much grammatical part. Automatically they
Yeah,
will catch because they
they,
have catching power
when
more
they
in this age.
then they would start feeling comfort with this language. Definitely, I will like teach them grammatical portion also because it's very important also.
Mhm. So you are
For
teaching
us, I think it's
how many?
not for a homemaker is not necessary. I would say, right? That much
Mhm.
because being a student is very necessary to know them, like understand them or teach them grammatical part also.
Mhm. It may be from
Yeah.
the sixth class. I think it started grammatical part also.
Yes, that is the reason I'm not providing that kind of classes. I giving them pragmatical approach.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many students do you teach?
I have six student.
Okay, so do you teach every day or are you taking some rest, some of days?
I decided to teach them on alternative day, but because they are like younger or small, so for them, it's been only 1 month, so I'm taking like everyday classes.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, because if they want to learn, because it's my responsibility, I'm teaching them a language, not a subject. For language, it's very necessary to be consistent.
Mhm.
That's how I want to make them consistent. And maybe from this month, I'm going to take only alternative class because my daughter sometimes she needs to talk with her friends. So she always also join here, and parents like they gave me like a feedback. Your daughter also like teaching style is very good. I like. She also like to teach, so she is doing also. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it's good. So apart from English language, are you teaching another subject also?
Yeah, my main subject is Sanskrit
Mm-hmm.
and SST.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I think it may be student have or not Sanskrit subject.
Yeah, these days because from this year my daughter's schools they have decided to Sanskrit as a second language.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry, third language. Hindi, English, and Sanskrit. If I want, so I can start my Sanskrit classes also due to timing and responsibility. I'm not able. Maybe in future I will do them definitely because uh, my connection with Sanskrit is very, I would say, very strong bond I have. We have. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So like when we are going to give government exam, so that time like it was we have to choose one subject. You can choose
Yes.
Sanskrit subject and you can choose English subject. So that time
Yes.
we used to choose Sanskrit subject. But now, like I am feeling, I should not choose Sanskrit subject. Like if I got chance,
Exactly.
sorry, if I get chance now, so definitely I will choose English subject because before it was too much difficult for us English subject. We didn't have any idea to take English subject. So then
Exactly.
we used to think like Sanskrit is easy, little bit similar to Hindi, so we can recognize
Yeah.
easily.
But initially you will feel Sanskrit is very as a very easy subject, but it is not. But because I have prepared for TGT exam, at least I have given 3 attempts. For that, you have to learn a lot. It's very difficult. It's I think more than difficult, more than mathematics. So lots of rule and regulations you have to know. Even sometimes I also feel confused where I need to put this rule and that rule. So it's happened with me also.
So like sometimes we got good marks and we used to get good marks. Sometimes we like sometimes it comes too much difficult, so that time we were not getting good marks. So it's used to happen with us. But rather than we used to prefer Sanskrit language. But now like if I got chance, so I will choose English subject.
I think when I was in school, so I also like Sanskrit because my grandfather he was English lecturer,
Mhm,
but he used to taught us English and Sanskrit both every day.
mhm,
But my choice was Sanskrit always. And
mhm,
he was English teacher. He always slap us and scold us. You are not doing great, this and that. So every day we need to spend at least 2 hours, 4 to 6. It was fixed time for our study, only for two subjects, Sanskrit and English. So I was better in Sanskrit. I was not bad in English, but I was better in Sanskrit. And other one, they were good at English, not good at in Sanskrit. So he always gave me chance to teach them. Otherwise, for English, I always got scolded by him all the time.
okay. So
Yeah.
you have a free time for yourself? Do you have?
No, I don't have. Even I hardly get time to sleep proper sleep. You can see my eyes sore eyes. So right now I'm just feeling sleepy, but I can't do that because after this session I just make sleep to my son. Then I had to reach at my daughter's school to pick up for her.
Oh,
Nap.
you don't take off like Saturday, Sunday?
I think, but uh, those days, Saturday, Sunday, might be every female, they are more busy than earlier because we have lots of house chores work to complete.
I was asking from teaching.
Teaching, yeah, no, I provide Sunday is my off day, but Saturday I provide something. Sometime I also join them. how kind of practice they are doing, because it's my responsibility. I earlier told you, because if I've decided to make them good at English, especially in English, so it could be my accountability. So that is the reason between I join them, I give them some suggestion also sometime, because some people, some kids, they are not, they don't want, they feel hesitate to speak. So I push them. It's very mandatory. If you are not willing to speak anything, so how could you will learn this language?
Yeah. So nowadays,
Yeah.
lots of students, like most of the students, are going in English medium school. So and some students are coming with you also. You are teaching to them. So did you feel like you are gaining something from them also?
Exactly, because I'm also learning lots of things. Sometimes I feel I'm losing somewhere in basic. But whenever I listen, because I am very good at listening. Whatever I'm learning, like most of things, I'm learning through listening. So I love to listening. So that is somewhere when I feel like I'm not able to ask questions. Sometimes happen because sometimes I feel also overwhelmed. In that case, when they came and just asked any question, ma'am, this and that. So I said okay. So I feel very happy and okay. I was searching for that, and it's happened every day even with my daughter.
Yeah.
This happened every day with my daughter, because whenever I feel stuck somewhere, these days she is not, because she is busy to complete her holiday homework.
Mhm.
So I think yesterday night, when we were planning for hit the hay, so that time we decided to like discuss something in English. So I provide her some topic like plant, as we discussed, books and siblings. So she was like mind blowing, you won't believe. So I was not able to control my laugh, even because my husband, he was watching some web series on Amazon Prime, and we were just discussing together. And my son, he was just interrupting between, but the way she just speak, the way she give her opinion about any particular topic, so it's always mind blowing.
Yeah, because they like she is getting environment in a school, so that's why she is able to speak properly. So
Yeah,
in
because she is a very talkative. I would say she very loquacious. She has a loquacious personality. That is the reason she all the time she just start chit chatting. And I am very like opposite from that. We are a chalk and cheese. Like we are like chalk and cheese. She like to speak a lot. I like to like keep mom alive.
I think
So what about you?
her father speak a lot.
No, he is very calm. He is very calm. Although
Our
I
parents,
speak.
maybe our parents. Yeah,
That is the reason, although she is a good at study also, but sometimes she is getting opportunity to speak a lot in her school also.
yeah, it's wonderful. She is speaking a lot, so I think she is gaining a lot also.
Yeah. So what about you? When did you start your journey?
Yeah, speaking journey I have started 1 year ago, but like I can't say like I was consistent before. Like I was not consistent, but nowadays like I am consistent when I started my conversation videos, uploading conversation videos. So then I started maintaining my consistency, and every day I'm learning. I'm focusing on idioms, phrasal verbs, grammatical part, little bit speaking, listening. Every day I'm following. I'm doing. I started. And when I start my English journey, so it was totally from the scratch. I didn't have a little bit idea to take English language because I also belong to Hindi medium student. I didn't have any environment, but after then, like we learned from YouTube. And
Exactly, because if you decided in your mind to learn this language, and definitely and just try to keep trying, because everyone knows Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So try to put, I think, show off, like try to show off every day is very like very necessary, because sometimes we feel overwhelmed. We don't want to like speak. We don't want to listen. It's happened sometimes.
Mhm.
But in my case, yesterday I was feeling the same. But after evening, I start no what I'm doing. I'm not going to like break my consistencies because it's very important. I have put lots of effort here to learn this language. So I listen some podcasts, I discuss something with my daughter. So I feel happy and content because at least
I
for
like
today I
maintaining.
have completed it.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's happened with us. Like if we are not maintaining our consistency, and so that day we feel ourselves like we are something lost in a day. So we should go for
exactly,
it. So same
exactly.
thing, it's happened with me also. So that
Mhm.
day I don't feel myself better. And like if we are doing something, if we are getting something a lot any day, so that day like we think like I did something in my day.
Exactly. So whenever you feel overwhelmed, so in that case, what do you like to do to overcome?
Yeah, sometimes like it's happened with me. Like I feel boring from my study, from another things. I don't want to do anything. So that day I try to listen music and I started dancing and related to songs. I do. Sometimes I listening songs and talking with the friends, gossiping. This type of thing I do, but not every day. Rarely I do.
Yeah, because I think it's happened with everyone.
Mhm.
I like every day is not similar, right? So sometimes we feel very energetic, sometimes we feel very low. But like I would say, important is if you are feeling low. So how kind of like a technique you are applying to overcome from that?
Mhm.
That is very important. It plays a significant role to continue this your journey.
Mhm. Yeah. So what's your hobbies?
My hobbies. I'm a sport kind of person. I love to do. I love to play badminton, running, and yeah, painting, sketching, cooking, helping people. I'm a kind of person. I'm magnanimous. Magnanimous is my middle name, I would say. So I love to do that. I am a spiritual kind of person. So most of the time, instead of English, I spend time to do my puja and chanting.
Okay, so you have a lots of hobbies also.
Yeah,
Likewise, your education. Okay.
yeah. So what about
You
you?
run every day?
Sorry?
You run every day? Like you
No,
told
I don't
me.
run
Yeah.
because of no, I don't run. These days I'm not running because of my son. But whenever I get chance, so I love to do that.
Okay, so walking part, yoga, exercise, do you indulge in that or not?
Yeah, yoga is my favorite part. I would say I would like to do every day even.
Okay, so
Breathing exercise, yoga.
you are doing yourself or otherwise you are taking any classes?
No, I think last month I have joined some free course. It was for 21 days. I have completed yesterday that course, but maybe I will start again. Although I know how to do Surya Namaskar and many things, but for consistency we need some guidance
Mhm.
because that is for like not just to do, because sometimes we feel like headache or backache. In that case we don't want to do that, but when we are seeing everyone doing without breaking their consistency, so that things not just to do, right, not just to do that. So because of consistency I want to like join again that course.
Yeah. Like every day it is not possible like in a same time. Like sometimes that time we are too much busy. Morning time it's too much hectic for housewife. Like they have
Exactly.
to do lots of thing in a morning time. And another things like a morning time, like I like to study also, but it is not manageable. Rarely I can do study in the morning time. Like suppose we are wake upping little bit early, so that time we can do. Otherwise, it is not possible. So do you read
Right.
every day or not? Reading part. What would you like to say about reading part?
No, I'm not doing, but whatever I'm sharing to my student, what I am getting from my mentor. So I read that, but it's been 1 week. I am not consistent in on reading, I would say, but I love to reading.
Okay, so like, do you have mentor?
Yeah, you know Sunita's ma'am and Neha ma'am.
Okay, so are you taking classes from them?
Yeah,
Okay, so how long?
yeah, it's been 8 months.
8 months.
But these been 2 months. I'm not very consistent because of my responsibility. Last month I was busy. I was in my in-laws' place,
Okay,
and
so
yeah, in June I have started my YouTube channel. You know, I'm not tech savvy, so it takes lots of time to learn how to edit, how to post each and everything. So I'm managing. Maybe from this month I would be consistent.
okay, okay. So is it
Yeah.
free or you are paying something?
No, we have to pay 500 per
Okay,
month. Yeah.
so it's okay. So from 2 ma'ams, you are taking classes.
No, they are in like one team. They have distributed their responsibility. Every week, Neha ma'am took take 2 classes, and Sunita ma'am also take 2 classes.
Okay, okay. So it's nice. Okay,
Oh.
so do you have any questions? So you can ask me. Otherwise, ma'am, we should be wrap up the session because time is going on.
No, I don't have any question for you because right now my son, he is wasting lots of water in the washroom. I have to go and stop him. So my mind is totally like
I was thinking
like
why he's not coming again and again to interrupting
yes. Yeah, he's wasting lots of water, so I don't like
you. Okay, okay.
that.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me and giving your precious time to me.
Thank you so much. You give me opportunity to share a screen with you. Thank you so much. Take care.